Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on and off-road as you take on new adventures. Take a look at this 2021 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara 4xe in black clear coat. With LED reflector headlamps, front LED fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, removable rear quarter windows, LED tail lamps, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 17,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, rear 60/40 folding seats, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7196.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.